Hey there, I'm Renee from Ripples Mind Body Breath, and today we're getting to know the power of the pause. Now, this technique that I'm talking about is our breath holds, and there are 3 different types that we're going to explore today, each with a different feel and a different purpose. So holds help train the nervous system to stay calm in times of stress, but they also build resilience and create presence, and they deepen the connection to your body and to your breath. So let's take a moment now to explore each one together. Okay, take a deep breath in, squeezing your breath all the way from the pelvic floor, all the way up your spine, up the back of your neck. Tilt your chin slightly forward and pull your breath right up to the crown of your head and hold. Do you feel that lift? That's all that energy and aliveness flowing through your body. Great. Now let it all go. Feel into that space you just created inside. For this hold, let's take a gentle inhale to begin, then exhale fully. At the bottom of that exhale, just pause, holding your breath right here. There's no breath, no rush, just the emptiness. This is where we sit with what is. Stay soft and just feel into that depths of yourself. And now slowly breathe in again. For this hold, we will begin by taking a soft, natural inhale, then release your breath just to about 40% of your capacity and hold. Stopping here in this neutral space. You're not full, you're not empty, you're just present. This is your middle ground. So just notice the quiet, the stillness, and the space. Now gently release your breath. Nice work. Holding the breath teaches us to hold space for yourself and for others, but it also teaches us how to be present and sit in the stillness. Now, if you found that powerful, head over to our daily breath flows playlist to explore more techniques just like this one. Or you can check out our Breathwork for Healing playlist, which has a range of techniques for building mental and physical strength with your breath. That's all for now, so take care and I'll see you in the next video.